Welcome to J&J's test video of S1 CE 194. This is a 2001 C5 Corvette coupe with a 6-speed manual, 342 rear gears. We have 144, almost 145 on the miles. She runs good, shows oil pressure, all that jazz. Good little runner. Transmission works. I can't drive it just because this wheel's crooked, and I swear every time I move it, like the control arm's broken, and I don't want the wheel to fall off or get smacked up in there. So let's show you the headlights work, the blinkers work, all that stuff. Oh, they went up this morning. Huh. Well, look at that. The wipers work though. I wonder if something happened. There's your wiper motor, the blinkers. Oh. But yeah, the headlights went up and down this morning. Heater control works, but it's real dim, so I'm scrapping it. Yeah, that's about it. I'll show you the transmission engages. Reverse works. Yep, that's about it. As always, thank you for watching. S1 CE 194 01 Corvette, LS1 dropout, 6-speed. As always, thank you for watching, buying dropouts, and have your pets spayed and neutered.